Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Update Google Pay and sign into your Google account on the same device. Once done, make sure the speaker is paired via Bluetooth or on the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, Google Pay cannot send commands. Now open the Google Pay app, navigate to Settings, and select Devices. You're starting the action immediately. Do not exit until you see the target speaker listed, because that listing tells you which device you can modify. You should now tap the speaker you want to modify and open its detailed settings page. From their select language or assistant voice, this controls what the speaker speaks and understands. You'll see language options and sometimes dialects. Pick the one that matches pronunciation and feature support. If a language requires a download, allow it to install. Progress will show on screen. Make sure to wait for confirmation, because changing prematurely can leave partial settings. Finish by confirming the new language and then immediately test the speaker. Ask a short question in the new language to verify speech and comprehension. If the speaker ignores the setting, reboot the device and your phone, then recheck Google Pay's device permissions and your network connection. If problems persist, try reapplying the language or reset the speaker's language settings. Only perform a full reset as a last resort, because you'll lose customized preferences unless you back them up first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.